2K profit system review. Is $2,000 per week really possible? In today's digital age, making money online is not just a dream, it's a reality for millions. But with the abundance of platforms promising quick and easy wealth, it can be difficult to tell which ones actually deliver and which ones fall short. The 2K profit system is one of the latest systems gaining attention, with claims of allowing people to earn up to $2,000 per week. In this 2K profit system review, we'll dig deep into what it's all about, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. What is the 2K profit system? The 2K profit system is a structured online earning program created by Kurt Tasche, a digital entrepreneur who claims to have helped thousands of people achieve substantial online income. This system promises to make earning $2,000 per week a realistic goal for its users by using a straightforward. A key selling point of the 2K profit system is that it requires no prior technical skills, no product inventory, and no social media following. Instead, it relies on an automated setup that is meant to simplify the process of earning online, especially for beginners. The system provides specific traffic sources and advertising methods that, according to its creators, can help drive massive traffic to your personalized link and generate high commissions. How the 2K profit system works. In this 2K profit system review, let's break down the core steps it offers for achieving these high earnings. Create a free account. Joining the 2K profit system is as simple as creating a free account. When you do so, you'll receive a $100 hotel savings card as a welcome bonus. This initial offer provides some immediate value and can be a motivator for signing up, especially for those new to online income systems. Follow a 4-step system. Once you're inside, you'll be guided through the 4 steps that form the backbone of the 2K profit system. The training promises to equip you with all the knowledge you need to set up your income stream, from choosing your link to advertising effectively. Utilize proven traffic and advertising sources. Traffic is the lifeblood of online sales, and the 2K profit system takes this seriously. In the training modules, you're introduced to proven advertising and traffic vendors' sources that have allegedly been tested and validated by the creators to generate substantial traffic. The goal is to drive interested visitors to your link, converting them into paying customers. Earn commissions of up to $2,000. Finally, as you promote the system and generate traffic through your personalized link, you have the chance to earn commissions of up to $2,000 per sale. This level of commission is one of the main draws, making the system appear lucrative compared to traditional affiliate programs with lower payouts. Pros and cons of the 2K profit system. As with any income-generating program, there are pros and cons to consider. This 2K profit system review covers both to help you make an informed decision. Pros: high commission potential. Earning up to $2,000 per sale is a significant advantage, particularly compared to many online platforms where commissions are relatively low. No technical knowledge required. The system is designed for beginners who may not have prior experience or technical skills. The simplicity of the 4-step process makes it accessible. Training and support. Members gain access to a network of like-minded individuals and weekly team training. This aspect adds value, as community support can be crucial when navigating a new platform. Proven traffic sources. Traffic is one of the biggest challenges for new online marketers. The 2K profit system claims to offer tested traffic sources, making the journey smoother. Cons. Earnings disclaimer. Like many online programs, the 2K profit system includes an earnings disclaimer, indicating that results are not guaranteed. Individual success can vary, often depending on the effort put in. Potentially high advertising costs. While the system introduces proven traffic sources, the cost of traffic generation is not always low. Some users may find that they need to invest in paid ads to see substantial results. Not a passive income model. The 2K profit system requires consistent promotion to generate traffic, which means it's not entirely hands-off. Success often requires ongoing effort and adaptation to market trends. Is the 2K profit system right for you? The 2K profit system review shows that this platform is likely best suited for those who are serious about putting time and energy into generating online income. While the program is beginner-friendly, users need to be proactive about following the training and engaging in the traffic generation methods recommended. Additionally, people who are new to online marketing might appreciate the simplicity of this system and the high-ticket earning potential. One important point to remember is that the system encourages users to take massive action. This means actively participating in the training and regularly working on traffic strategies. Those who approach it as a side project or a set-it-and-forget-it system may find their expectations fall short. Realistic expectations. Can you really earn $2,000 per week? A significant question in this 2K profit system review is whether the earnings potential aligns with reality. The idea of making $2,000 per week is certainly compelling. And while it's achievable, there's no guarantee. Success with this or any similar program typically depends on consistent traffic generation. With effective use of the recommended traffic sources and ads, reaching the target earnings might be possible, but only with consistent, quality traffic. Learning and optimization. While the 2K profit system provides guidance, each user may need to test different traffic methods and optimize based on what works best for their audience. Commitment. Users who invest time in refining their marketing skills are more likely to see positive outcomes. The system's high-ticket commissions mean that if a user can secure even a handful of sales, the income could indeed add up quickly. However, this also depends on the competitive landscape, as with any business endeavor. Final thoughts. Our verdict on the 2K profit system. After a comprehensive look at the platform in this 2K profit system review, it's clear that the 2K profit system offers an accessible way for beginners to enter the world of online income with a promising commission structure. For those willing to dedicate the necessary time and resources, this system has the potential to yield high returns, although not without consistent effort and a learning curve. For those who are ready to take on a new income challenge and are comfortable with the advertising aspect, the 2K profit system could be worth exploring. However, as with any online income opportunity, proceed with realistic expectations and a clear understanding of the work involved.